This large piece of equipment is a grapple crane, and like the spar, is used to yard logs to a landing. As might be expected, it has certain advantages and disadvantages when compared to a spar. Two of its main advantages are its high mobility and lower labor cost. The grapple crane is easily moved and requires a crew of 3 compared to 6 of the spar. The grapple crane also has less environmental impact than the high lead pattern of the spar. A spar's yarding pattern tends to alter a slope's drainage pattern. The grapple crane, however, through its mobility, allows one to yard at 90 degrees to the contours of the land, with a minimum effect on drainage patterns. Another advantage of the grapple crane is the absence of a bight. A bight is the hazardous area found between the lines of a spar. Some of the disadvantages of the grapple crane are its high capital cost and limited reach. The cost of a grapple crane is $500,000. Its limited reach is due to its relatively short tower. A grapple crane tower is only 60 feet high, compared to 90 to 120 feet of the spar. The optimum yarding distance for a grapple crane is 450 feet, while the optimum distance for the spar is 550. Now, let's see how a grapple crane works. There are 3 active lines on a grapple crane: a haulback, an opening line, and a main line. By going ahead on the haulback, the operator pulls the grapple carriage out to the setting. Slacking the haulback lowers the grapple over the log. The opening line opens and closes the grapple. By slacking the opening line, the grapple closes. By tightening the line, the grapple is opened. And finally, the main line pulls both the grapple and the log into the landing. Now, let's look at the rigging configuration. The haulback runs from the top of the tower through a block which supports the carriage and grapple. It continues by running through a block attached to a stump at the back end of the setting, and finally is attached to the grapple carriage. Both the main line and the opening line go directly to the carriage. The operator will go ahead on the haulback to pull the grapple and carriage back to the setting. He then puts a light tension on the opening line to open the grapple, and with the help of the hooker, positions the grapple over the desired log. He then slackens the haulback, lowering the grapple, and loosens the opening line, closing the grapple. Finally, the main line is pulled in, dragging the log to the landing. Under good conditions, the grapple can yard 220 logs per shift. The grapple crane will never replace the spar because of its topographical limitations, need for extra road construction, and shorter tower. However, under suitable conditions, the grapple crane is the most cost-effective method of yarding.